Welcome back to the Spencer Family channel. It's your girl Fallon and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post our weekly lit videos. As we know, the nationwide pandemic, COVID-19, has caused us in many parts of the world to have to cover our faces and wear masks. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a face mask using items that you already have in your home. Paper towel, rubber bands, staples. Simple as that.
Yeah, I should live it.
If you need to go out and you do need to cover your face, it should be an awesome alternative to make sure that your face is covered. I am no medical expert, but what I am saying is that this will cover your face if you need to. Don't mind the COVID quarantine glam. Had to do my own nails. How did I do? Got the gel glitter dip powder. If you want a video on that, go ahead and leave that down below. Eyebrows are out of whack and everything else, but this smile, still here. Let's get into this video. All right, friends, here's a quick rundown of what you'll need. Paper towel, rubber bands, and a stapler. Don't mind the look of my stapler. This one is for the office and has been used. We are at work. You may or may not have these items at home, but they are surely easy to find. It's always good to sanitize your work area. So here I am just spraying it down and making sure that it is clean and ready to go. Prior to this, I had already washed my hands, or you can use hand sanitizer, whatever you desire. So go ahead and enjoy this wipe down. Are you enjoying this wipe down? I don't know if it's just me, but there's something about cleaning videos I love to watch. And in no time, you'll have a face mask. All right, go ahead, rip off one piece of paper towel, lay it flat, and then we will begin to fold in accordion style. Fold, flip, fold. Iron down the crease, fold again, flip, fold, iron down the crease, flip and fold, iron down the crease. There you have it. When done correctly, it should look like a fan. But we won't stop there. We will continue. So here I am. I'm going to now fold it twice at the corner, about a 1/4 inch, I would say, in size. Go ahead and staple that down. It should look like that. Good to go. Turn it around, fold again twice. Staple down. All right, once your mask looks like this, rectangular, stapled, accordion style, we can go ahead and bring in our rubber bands. I noticed I already had some out. Alright, so this part, you want to lay it down flat. It does not need to be twisted. It just needs to be flat, okay? Put that right there and fold it over. Perfect. Go ahead and staple again, locking in the rubber band. Alright, so this is actual time. You can see that I'm tugging at it pretty hard and it's not ripping, so it's definitely durable. There I am again. Same thing on the other side. Go ahead and put in your rubber band, fold over and staple to lock in your rubber band. Now you're probably wondering, well, how does this cover my face? Well, you just open it up
And there you have it, a face mask. You may need to tug at it just a little, but once you get it, it opens up right into the shape of your face and it will cover it. Alright, let's do it one more time. It's always good to have two masks handy, one for you and one for your loved ones. Alright, so I just want to point out that you don't start folding on the short side, you start folding on the long side like this. And we are basically repeating what we just did. So I'm going to go ahead and let the music play out while I make the second one. Enjoy!
Voila, just like that, you've got a face mask. Hold on, I know you didn't think I was gonna let you go without seeing it on firsthand now. All right, let's do it. Still talking it, so as you can see here, I'm still talking in it. Durable.
At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and get a thumbnail in. Although this is an awesome alternative, and I really love the way that it turned out and how durable it is, being that it is paper towel we're talking about here, this would not be my first choice. My go-to is a mask, medical grade mask, then fabric, but since you've seen so many videos on how to make masks out of fabric during this time, I figured I'll bring something new and fresh to you.
Obviously, the only downfall to this, in my opinion, would be that it could rip. So I wouldn't do it as tight over here. I would leave a little bit more room than probably even I did. Super weird. Go ahead and check out our Quarentivitie's in our playlist. On this channel, we are a lifestyle channel. We have a range of videos. Go ahead and check out our playlist at the end of this video and see if there's anything in there that interests you. I'm sure there is.
Yeah, like I'm living. Live it.